Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm doing a little bit of a wind test with the Insta360 One X2. And the reason why I'm doing this is because there has been a lot of requests for me to do a wind test because this has multiple microphones all around it. There's an issue when it comes to wind because you can't really cover all the holes, but I am going to try to attempt that today with a little bit of a cheap solution. So let's get to it. All right, so the thing I'm going to use to hopefully cover the wind noise is a simple solution at the dollar store that I got here. This is the same material that they use for the whiteboard, and it is felt. And felt, they use this one in particular to put on the bottom of your legs of your chairs or your table so they don't scratch your wood floors. As you can see, the picture there kind of represents that a little bit. So I'm basically going to take these little square pieces. I'm going to cut them to size. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than what the actual hole is, so then it covers it nice and proper. They do have an adhesive, however, and I'm not sure if the adhesive is going to block the sound completely or if you can still hear. I'm not even sure how this is going to turn out with sound wise. It might be successful, it might be not, but we'll see if this cheap solution is a problem solver. But I am going to do a sample of having no protection whatsoever, and then I'm going to cover it and see if it's going to keep the wind noise or not. Right now, today, it's a little bit mild, I would say. I was hoping for a little bit more wind. I would say about 5 kilometers at most. Maybe at 10 kilometers with gust. But anyways, let's get to it. I'm going to put this on the tripod here, and I'm going to set it down here and do a test sample sound without me talking or anything, and it's just going to be natural sound. Ooh, the wind is actually picking up now, so I'm going to do this right now. Also, stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to have video samples of the wind noise attached to the scooter. I'm just going to zip around and to see if those stickers will actually solve a little bit of the wind issue, but we'll see. So the first sample shot here, I'm facing the camera towards the direction of the wind where it has the most microphones, and hopefully that will sound a little bit more wind into the actual microphone so we get a clean sample. Here is the sample with just ambient noise and the wind. All right, so hopefully you guys heard a little bit of wind noise on that. Now, next, I'm going to cut the little pieces up and plug each one of the holes, and then we're gonna see if it makes any difference at all. All right, let's go check. All right, so it's actually perfect timing right now. The wind has picked up. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I plugged here. There are a couple microphones on this camera, as you can see right here, and I actually plugged the side over here as well. I'm not sure if that's gonna even help. Anything that has an opening on this device, I pretty much closed off, so none of the microphones can hopefully hear anything. Again, these are having adhesive on them, so hopefully they do record a little bit of sound. I am going to do a test, again, a controlled test where I'm just gonna leave it there without me talking, and you're gonna hear another 15 seconds of that. So here we go. So again, I have this sitting right here towards the wind, so I have it a little bit tilted like the other one, and we're just gonna go with a moment of silence right here. All right, so the next test I want to actually do is dialogue. So I'm going to actually just talk with this camera. I'm gonna switch this camera off, switch to this one, and you're just gonna hear pure audio from this one. And I also have a lav mic today that I'm wearing. That's the audio that you're currently hearing. And then I'm gonna switch to this. I'm gonna switch back and forth between each one to see the difference. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, guys, so this is the Insta360 audio coming straight from the camera. A little dangerous here, but just need a little bit more wind. So yeah, this is the audio that's coming from the Insta360 raw with the covers on. Just gonna go silent for a little bit here. All right, so what do you guys think of the audio there? Is it doing anything? I don't even know at this time of recording, but hopefully it's doing something. The wind right now is probably 10 kilometers per hour, maybe 15, gusting now. It's getting a little bit more aggressive. But now I'm gonna switch back to the Zoom F2 that's attached to my chest right now. Now that's how this sounds, and I'm wearing 2 layers of clothing, a t-shirt and this kind of cut off hoodie type of thing. And so you're hearing that. So that should sound pretty good. This is no audio editing on this part. However, on the previous part of my intro, it was edited audio. And as far as the Insta360, I am putting no editing whatsoever. Pure, and it's as raw as you're gonna get towards this microphone sound. So hopefully you guys can hear the difference. I am gonna, however, do another video on the Insta360 because there is a little bit of an issue with the hardware design and how this camera is built. And it's minor, but it is still a little bit of a concern. So I want to address it in my next video, hopefully coming up in maybe next week or the week after. So I'll do another video of that for you guys. This is a conclusion to the sound test of wind, because a lot of people are thinking, how does it do in the wind? Of course, just like any other microphone, I think it doesn't do well until you do something to it, like cover it like I did. I'm not even sure, again, if this is even working. There might have to be another solution. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Smash it if you like it. And otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.